Every person has a story of triumph, a tale of rising above challenges and emerging stronger. Today, we bring you stories of extraordinary individuals who faced insurmountable odds and achieved greatness. Join us on this journey of inspiration and hope. This young entrepreneur was full of ambition and big dreams. They started their first business with high hopes and unshakable confidence. Despite their dedication and hard work, the first business venture ended in failure, leaving them devastated and in debt. It was a crushing blow, but they refused to let failure define them. They knew that giving up was not an option. Determined to rise from the ashes, they sought out every opportunity to learn and grow. They attended workshops, absorbed advice from mentors, and immersed themselves in the world of business. Every setback became a lesson, every failure a stepping stone. They redefined their approach, leveraging newfound knowledge and resilience. Embarking on a new business venture with a fresh perspective and unrelenting determination, they were wiser, more prepared, and more resilient this time. Surrounding themselves with a motivated and like-minded team, they laid the foundation for a business built on solid principles and innovative ideas. They worked tirelessly, learning from past mistakes and constantly adapting to new challenges. The road to success was not without its hurdles. The team encountered numerous challenges, but each one was met with determination and innovative solutions. Their leadership and unwavering belief in their mission kept the team united and driven, even in the face of adversity. After months of hard work and relentless effort, the business began to gain traction. Customers appreciated their innovative solutions, and positive feedback started to pour in. The breakthrough moment came when they secured a major deal that catapulted the business to new heights. It was a testament to their hard work and dedication. Their success was a collective achievement, a result of teamwork, resilience, and unwavering determination. Today, the business is thriving, a beacon of innovation and success. But they never forgot the lessons learned from their failures. They dedicated time to mentoring others, sharing their journey and inspiring them to persevere through their own challenges. Their story became a source of inspiration for many, proving that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to greater success. Reflecting on the journey, they realized that every failure had shaped them, every setback had strengthened them. This story is a powerful reminder that resilience, determination, and a never-give-up attitude can turn failure into triumph. Success is not just about professional achievements. The journey also led to personal growth, understanding strengths, and embracing weaknesses. Through self-reflection and mindfulness, they discovered a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. Building a successful business is important, but they also valued the importance of nurturing relationships with loved ones. These relationships provided emotional support and motivation, reinforcing the belief that success is a journey best shared with others. Embracing challenges became second nature. Each obstacle was seen as an opportunity to grow and innovate. Their relentless drive and positive mindset kept the team energized and focused on their goals. Celebrating milestones was an essential part of the journey. It was a time to reflect on their progress and acknowledge the hard work of everyone involved. These celebrations reinforced the sense of community and shared purpose within the company. Giving back to the community was a core value. They believed in the power of making a positive impact beyond the business world. Their commitment to community service not only enriched the lives of others, but also brought a sense of fulfillment and purpose to their own life. With a solid foundation and a successful track record, they set their sights on global expansion, taking the business to new heights. Their adaptability and vision allowed them to thrive in diverse environments, further establishing the business as a global leader. Mentorship became a significant part of their journey. They were committed to helping others achieve their dreams, sharing the lessons they had learned along the way. Their legacy extended beyond their own success. They left a lasting impact by empowering others to pursue their entrepreneurial aspirations. Personal growth and self-discovery were ongoing processes. They learned to prioritize self-care and mindfulness, recognizing the importance of a balanced life. These activities provided a sense of peace and clarity, allowing them to recharge and stay grounded amidst the demands of business. Success, they realized, was not just about material wealth or business accolades. It was about the journey, the people they met, and the impact they made. Success is not just about reaching the top. It's about the lessons learned, the people who supported you, and the difference you make in the world. The journey doesn't end with success. They continue to set new goals, challenge themselves, and inspire others to pursue their dreams. In the end, it's about the journey and the growth it brings. It's about rising from failures, embracing challenges, and finding purpose in every step. No matter where you are on your journey, remember that you have the strength and resilience to overcome any obstacle. Believe in yourself, and you can achieve greatness. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Remember, your story is still being written, and the best is yet to come. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories of resilience and success.